In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a P2P merchant account on kucoin. We'll walk through the process step by step, so you can feel confident and prepared to get started. First, if you haven't already, open a web browser and navigate to the kucoin website. kucoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform, and today, we're focusing on setting up a merchant account for peer-to-peer trading. Once you're on the kucoin homepage, the next step is to log in. If you're new to kucoin, you'll need to create an account first. However, assuming you already have an account, click on the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials securely. Privacy is paramount when dealing with digital finance. You've successfully logged in and now find yourself on the kucoin homepage. From here, you want to navigate to the P2P trading section. This is where you can buy or sell cryptocurrency directly with other users, making peer-to-peer trading so unique and convenient. Specifically, look for the option to buy USDT with USD. This link will take you to the P2P trading page, where you can see various buying and selling options. Now that you're on the P2P trading page, you'll see an option labeled Merchant Program. Clicking on this will give you the opportunity to learn more about the benefits and responsibilities of becoming a merchant on kucoin. Traders on kucoin have access to increased flexibility and visibility, and they can engage with a broader network of buyers and sellers. After you've clicked on the Merchant Program link, you should see another link that says Merchant Benefits. Select this to delve deeper into the advantages of becoming a kucoin merchant. This page will highlight why joining the merchant program can be beneficial, from lower transaction fees to enhanced trading capabilities, which can significantly enhance your trading experience. The final step in this process is to apply to become a merchant by clicking the Apply button. This will start the application process where you'll provide the necessary information to get your merchant status approved. Keep in mind, the approval process might take some time, so be patient and ensure that all the information you provide is accurate and complete. And that's it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to setting up your P2P merchant account on kucoin. Remember to always keep your account information secure and review kucoin's policies to stay informed about the latest requirements and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy trading on kucoin.